Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 540 spinning kick with these 5 best techniques. Number 1, start by doing the butterfly kick until you are very comfortable with it. Take your time, focus, you will be the best. And definitely, you will look so fucking cool. Number 2, now do the 360 rotation to register it on your mind. But you gotta focus. Now raise that leg on the back higher while you're doing the 360. Keep on doing it until you are perfect. Practice makes perfect. No. Perfect makes improvement, actually. Number 4, now do this rotation that your body gets familiar with spinning. And that is how you connect your body, spirit, and the mind. Trust me. Now combine all the techniques and practice on top of something that is comfortable, whether it's a mattress or whatever you're going to use, I don't know, until you are perfect and improved. And that's it for today. And don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe. I wish you all the best.